Welcome to Process Prime Channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
All right, that's good. Hold it there.
Looks like we're almost at capacity.
Affirmative. Adjusting flow now. All right, moisture content is looking good. Looks like we're right on target for this batch. Okay, let's keep an eye on this flow. Looks good so far. All clear on my end.
The ground corn emerges from the mills as a thick, golden yellow slurry with the consistency of wet cement.
The liquid cornstarch is pumped into massive spray dryers, cylindrical towers 40 feet tall.
Here we can see the cornstarch moving from the dryer into the collection hoppers and through the transport tubes.
As they exit the oven, the Cheetos are about 350 degrees. These fans will cool them down to around 100 degrees.
Once the Cheetos are perfectly puffed and dried, they journey into the seasoning tumbler.
Inside the seasoning drum, thousands of Cheetos tumble, coated in a cloud of bright orange cheese powder.
Modern automated weighing technology ensures speed and accuracy, dispensing 120 portions per minute.
Automated coating system for full traceability. Hundreds of bags coated per minute, meeting all regulatory requirements.
The shrink-wrapped multi-packs exit the heat tunnel and pass under cooling fans. The hot plastic cools.
Transcription. Make sure the flaps are sealing correctly.
Oh.
Looks good. Sensor alignment is perfect.
Transcription. The open cases move to a case sealing machine.
Okay, the first layer looks perfect. Let's keep an eye on the alignment for the next one.
Pallet 73 Charlie, confirm slot B42. Over. Roger that, B42 confirmed.
Transcription. All right, bring that Cheetos pallet over to Bay 3.
Roger that. Make sure the dock plate is secure.
All right, bring it on up. Easy does it. Keep it coming. To the front, left side.
This facility produces 4 million bags of Cheetos every single day.
Thousands of these rolls are used daily, and this is critical material.
Did you see the memo about the new safety protocols?
Yeah, I think they're pretty reasonable.
Definitely helps keep us all safe.
Section 69.